Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York. I was driving down the street and I caught this beautiful car at the corner of my eye, guys. Hey, before we move forward, hit that subscribe button, like and share my videos. Driving all over Long Island, finding some awesome classic cars, guys. But this car, not for sale. I asked, it's so beautiful. Check it out, guys. 1955 Chevy, 4-door, same owner, like 50 years, and he gave it to his son-in-law. But this is really awesome. Golden anniversary. V8, car drives, mint. What I love about it, has the Don Allen dealership. And then it has a Jersey dealer plate from 1955. This car is so awesome. V8, 4-door, guys. Check this thing out. So cool. He allowed me to go in there. Not sure if it's locked, but you see I could open it up. I'll even love the bent antenna here. Full of character. Patina on is awesome. He said it runs and drives perfect. Solid car. Had some bonder done. But I think this car is great. Look at this thing. So awesome. Jersey Reg. And then he gave me the approvals to go in. Looks like the original. Great car. Check it out. So awesome. What I love is little label makers, lights, off, slow, fast, the wipers, showing 97,000 miles. Original radio, Chevrolet. And then the back here, it showed me, it's got some old plates from 1955. The floors are solid, guys. It's like the original floor in here. But it's not better than 55, guys. I love this 56 and 57s, but the 55s are just awesome. It has some old paperwork too. But it is so cool. Unfortunately, like I said, the car's not for sale. Supposedly it runs perfect, runs great. Automatic transmission. But I would love to drive this around. 55 Chevy 4-door V8. Check that car out, guys. So guys, like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Hunts of classic car videos every single week. I'm posting some new stuff. The 1,000 subscriber, we got a little bit of a gift. So right now, if I hit 5,000 subscribers, there's a little bit of gift going on I want to do. So hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. So I'm at like 3,800 subscribers. So another 1,200 more. Special gift from Jerry Middleman Battaglia. And it's going to be awesome. So we're going to announce that contest. So you guys hit that bell notification, that subscribe button. 55 Chevy 4-door coming to you from Long Island, New York, guys. Check that bad boy out. Awesome. Have a great day. Bye-bye.